Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your Gmail account without phone number or without recovery email. So what happens when you try to log into your Gmail account? If you forget your password and you are clicking on forget password and you don't remember your last password or recovery email, don't click on try again and again. If you will try to log into your account again and again, your account will be locked. Google will consider that your account is in danger and somebody is trying to hack your Google account. So your Google account will not be recovered. So now I'll show you how you can recover your Google account. So just open any Gmail. Click on these three lines in the left right corner. Scroll down a little bit. Here you will see last option help and feedback. Click on it. And then in the last you can see the option send feedback. Just tap on it. So you have to write this kind of stuff. After writing this stuff, you have to tap on this send button here. Just tap on it. Tap on this continue button. And here you can see thanks for sharing your feedback. So now you have to wait for some time, and then sometime or after 48 hours you will receive an email. So you have to open their email. You will found a link in their Gmail. You will successfully recover your password and get back access on your Gmail account. So that's how you can recover your Gmail account without username and without recovery password. If this video helped you out, just like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.